This is North 2010 Sharp Eye channel. You are here at FNB Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs 1, Sekhukhune United 3, my brother. How's it?
Sharp was it, my brother?
Sharp, man.
Sharp.
Ufila kanjani game namhlanje?
No, ngifile kahle bafo. We lost it very bad. Kahle siluze from ku central midfield na ku right back. Kahle. So ungabi bikho kamonyane na ku central midfield siluze lapho le game.
Ulimele ayikho into abakade bezoyenza.
So makalimele it's fine. But i-coach nge-first goal bekumele enza ama-means ukuthi ashintshe ku-right back
but yayivimba la uzoza but yangiphazamisa uvimba la ngicela kuyele emuva. It's fine but ngicela kuyele emuva.
naku-central midfielder bhuti wami siluze lapho right back and central midfield igame yethu iphele lapho nge-first half. Other than that igame beyi-right and sizobuya ucoach kumele alungise lawo ma-mistake kuphela.
Thanks, man.
Siyambongela bo.
For your soccer updates, visit www.ngobo2010sharpeye.com.